What's up, you guys? So, boy, Amazing Prosper. How you guys doing? So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I traded last week. Remember, last 2 weeks, I told you guys how I'm going to be trading, and it happened. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my strategy, how I'm going to be trading this week, and how I traded last week as a Forex day trader. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, turn your bell notification. I will share with you guys my strategy, my trend line, and how I was able to make profit last week. So let's go directly to this video. Let me show you guys how I traded. Let's go.
Yeah, so in forex trading, you have to really observe these and be very, very mindful about what you are doing every single day. Sometimes this skill set is not something that you get once or immediately and you are good. This skill set of forex trading is something that you improve every single day and you try much as possible to learn every day because the market is dynamic. That's what that's what the people who have been in this market for a long while always say. The market is dynamic. So trading doesn't teach you something that you don't know. Sometimes it teaches you something that you know in other form. And before you get it, maybe it has been late or you know how to do it and you take advantage of it. So you don't make money in trading by not taking action. You make money in trading by taking action. So once you take an action, you wait and see the result. So take that fear from you, take that fear from your mind if you want to become successful. I don't know why I'm doing this to you, but I think someone really needs to hear this. Yeah, I know some people that they are good in trading demo. They are fine. They can trade demo. They can make a lot of money when it comes to demo accounts, but they can't trade live account because they don't have the ability to trade live accounts. Yeah, they don't, even if it's $100, $50, they don't even have the courage to make money from that thing. They don't have the courage to place a trade because they are afraid of what the market have done them in the past. That's one of the things that you as a newbie need to put in perspective when you are starting to trade. You have to make yourself understand that this is a game of probability. This is a game of the two sides. Either you win or you lose, but you can never know what is going to be the actual result of a trade until you get in. So you not getting in, it's very easy to say, okay, this is a double top and you didn't get in and this market come down here and you say, if I was here, I could have gotten here and I could have made money. But you were seeing it, but because you are afraid to take action, you saw it dropped from there to here. That's about how many pips? Let's check from here to here. That's about 20 some 200 and something, 280, 287 pips move from there to here. Some people can analyze very well, but they can't trade. The reason why they can't trade is not because they don't have money. The reason why they can't trade is because they are afraid of trading. Yeah, I know a lot of people who message me and like, Prosper, I have money in my account, but I can't place a trade because of what the market have done to me in the past. So you have to take yourself out from that bondage. You have to take yourself out from that mindset of I don't want to lose money because in this place, in the forex market, you lose money, you make money. So the only thing that is going to make you better and make you successful in the long run is when you understand that this is a game of probability. So how can I improve my risk to reward? How can I know how to win more when I'm winning and lose more when I'm losing? So you have to be very, very courageous when it comes to forex trading and understand that no one is going to do that thing for you. No one is going to place that buy and sell. No matter who you learn from, no matter who is your mentor, your coach, your anyone that you are learning forex trading from, they're not gonna place that buy or sell trade for you. That's why I hate it when someone come to me and say my mentor sent a signal and I lost money, or this man doesn't know how to trade. This man know how to trade. He sent this signal and the signal wasn't good and I lost money. It's because of this. No, he didn't force you to place that buy or sell. You are the one who do that. You are the one who decided that you want to get in. Once you start understanding that you don't need to trade every day, you don't need to place that trade every single day. If that trade doesn't align with your strategy, you sit in your hands and watch it play out. That's the beautiful thing. People who make a lot of money in this forex market are people who understand that they are in control. I'm in control. I'm in charge. I have the ability to control my money. I have the ability to know that, okay, right here, I don't want to get in. Okay, right now, I want to get in and I want to risk this so amount. If you understand how to use proper risk management when it comes to forex trading, I don't think that you're going to lose money. I don't think that you're going to blow your account. Yeah, you're not gonna blow your account if you understand how to use proper risk management. Yeah, you can lose a lot of money in the long run when applying a risk management, a proper risk management, but maybe in one single or two trade, you are back in profit, you are back in break even. Yeah, so that's the advantage of proper risk management. Yeah, trading is not all about quantity. Doesn't matter if you're a day trader or a swing trader, or what really matter when it comes to trading is, are you profitable? Do you have anything to prove that, okay, right now I have this, I brought this, I brought that from trading? That's what counts. Results, that's what counts. Totally in real life, I think that's what really matter. Results. What's your result? Show evidence, show working. That's what really matter. So when it comes to trading, you also need to keep it simple. Yeah, it's very, very important. Keep it simple. Don't let the social media world to make you feel like what you are doing is not good. As long as you have backtest your strategy, you have test it out on a real account. When I mean a real account, no demo trading. Trade Try as much as possible to fund a little amount, maybe $50, $100, any amount. Test it, get in real account, fund it, test it, buy a pro firm. Yeah, I know pro firm, the phase one, phase two, they are all demo, but because there is money attached to that, you still have that emotion. So I still consider pro firm as a real account. As a newbie, when you're trading a pro firm, you know that you got this with money and you have the ability to lose it. So there's emotion in it. There is a little amount of emotion attached to it. But when it comes to a demo account, there is no emotion, so you have to do it anyhow. I remember when I started trading, I can just place a trade on a demo and leave it for some days, maybe like 2 or 3 days before I remember, oh, I have something going on here. When I check it, maybe I have made a lot of money, maybe 1:10 risk to reward. And I'll be happy. I'll say, oh, bro, this is good. This is working. But that's not it. When I started trading a life account, my own personal account, maybe pro firm or personal accounts, bro, emotion will set in. I can't be able to handle it. I can't be able to see my trade run into loss or allow my profit to run back. So I started cutting my profit short and leaving my losses to retrace back. And sometimes losses doesn't retrace back. It will wipe your account. So be very, very mature, be very, very accountable when it comes to risk to reward ratio and proper risk management. Make proper risk management your friend. Yeah, trading is one of the business that you have the full advantage of your capital. In other business around the world, you can never, and when I mean you can never have the full advantage of your capital. Yeah, because sometimes you are doing a business, maybe you are importing goods in your country, you don't have full advantage of that. You can decide to buy a goods and that goods is on a high seal before you know it has maybe bad thing happen to it and it's gone. You can't control it. But in forex market, when you fund account, maybe you fund $1,000, you lost $100, you can decide, okay, I'm not going anymore. I'm withdrawing my money right now. So that's one of the beautiful thing about forex trading. You are 100% in charge. That's why your personal account is very much important more than pro firm. So when you buy a pro firm, it's gone, it's gone. But when you fund your personal account, no matter the amount, you can decide you can decide anytime, any day that I'm not doing again. I want my money. I want this back. I want this back, and you can get it anytime. So yeah, so that's it for this. I think this is a kind of psychology before the main thing. So the trading. So you know me very well. I don't trade on Monday. So around here, this is Monday and this is Tuesday. So this is Tuesday. Here was a beautiful trade. I didn't take this one, but I saw it and I mapped out that bus that is going to tank here. This was the trade that I took on Tuesday. Here was it. I took the trade and I made profit from here. I sent it on my Telegram channel. So here was another one. Here too. I really don't like taking the sell trade when it is on a second bounce. I don't really like taking it. So here, once I saw the first leg, the second leg, I took this again. I sent it to my Telegram channel. And I say once it got here, I say exit the trade, and I exited. So you can join my Telegram channel. The link on the description below where I said my free Telegram, my free signals. So throughout last week, the market was creating a massive double top and double bottom, and that's what I use when it comes to trading. So I'll break that down with you guys right here. So this one was the one that I was so painful. It was so painful. Like I don't really like what happened here. Yeah, forget this. This market hit my break even here about 7. I was losing like about 7 pips. Initially, I usually put my stop loss below the swing high, so my stop loss was here, but it was massive. It was about 26 pips, I think 25 to 26 pips, and I got in somewhere here. So it was about 20 something pips. Yeah, 20 something pips. I think, yeah, 27 to 28 pips. I don't like pushing that much. So I got in here and I was playing around somewhere here. Here. So that was what happened. So you can see that I have this bad and good. So what this means is that whenever I get a trade right and I didn't make money, I normally put this bad and good because I don't make money, but I was right. My analysis was right, but I didn't make money. So this is what happened. I started getting in here, somewhere here. So let me go down to the 15 minutes time frame. So this is it. So I started getting in around somewhere here. Started getting in here. I didn't know that this thing will start playing. So around here, the market started playing. I got in around 7 o'clock. Yeah, 7 o'clock. I was right, somewhere here, around 7. Yeah, here. Here, this is where I started getting in. So I was But here was my initial point where I sent my Telegram channel that I'm going to be waiting for this market to reach this zone before I take that market, this psychology level. So I started getting here. Once I started seeing this hesitation, I started getting in with smaller lot size. I saw this move. Let me remove this guy. I saw this move. So I didn't believe that this market is going to flash up here to this point. So after this flash up, this is where I got in aggressively. Then my stop was initially above all this high. So it was very big. It was around here. It was around 30 something pips. So I don't like taking that kind of trade. I don't like it. So once I saw this move, this one, I didn't believe that this market will create this again. So once I saw this move, I get in aggressively. Then I bring back my stop loss to this zone. That was where I was. So after this, I saw this move. This one, I didn't know that this is going to happen. After the flash up, I saw J. I'm now in profit. This one was the one that I posted money everywhere. I hope you are making money. Before I know what's up, 1, 2, 3, 4, it kicked me out. After it kicked me out, so what happened again? The market started drops about 100 or something pips. I lost money here, but I was right. This was so painful. This was so painful. So that is one of the things that you understand the forex market. So what I learned from this market is that I will never ever over leverage again, because the reason why I shifted my stop loss from where it was before was I over leverage. I know that market is going to fall, but I didn't know that it's going to happen like this. And one of the things that you have to get from this video, if this is your first time watching me, is this: trading doesn't have a playbook. When I mean a playbook, yeah, your analysis is right, you are correct, but it doesn't actually, or it's not going to happen the same way that it happened last time. Okay, for me, I trade double top and double bottom. What are you seeing here? This is a big double top. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. This is a big double top. What happened here? But in the on 15 minutes time frame, what happened? The market was consolidating always. It was ranging. It was having a total range. You can see how many candles that are printed here. You can see many candles. But when it come here, what happened? It printed another double top before it drops the amazing, like the big drop that happened here. You see this one? So next time when I'm here, I'm here. So whenever I put my stop loss, I'm going to maintain that range until the market drops very well. Until the market drop very well. So I will never ever again try to shift my this thing again, or try to make my trading to, or try to make it once, because that's the kind of, I'm an aggressive person. I like making money once. I like making it fast as possible and get out from that place. I don't like holding my trade. I'm a day trader. So I don't like doing it. So simple. What I do or what I trade is just simple. You can see these lines. These lines are called psychology level. So on GJ, from 189.00 to 189.500, that's another psychology level. From 189.500 to 9.0. That's another psychology level. So my trend line strategy is very simple. I always, you can see, let me make it, let me go to 1 hour. So here, can see how this trend line is. You have to be relevant on the current market. So you see where, you see how I put my trend line. So once your trend line is correct, the market will come there and it you see how the market is playing around there. Then you know that you are correct when you are placing your trend line. So that's it. That's it. The next thing that I do, I use is my strategy. So my strategy is double bottom and double top. So you can see here, this is a physical pattern of double bottom. 1, 2. What about here? You can see 1, 2, double top. You can see 1, 2. Anywhere you see that I'm taking a trade, you can see a double bottom there. So what about here? 1, 2. Anywhere you see I'm taking a trade, you can see a mini double top or a bigger one. So let's go over here. You can see over here. You can see over here. You can see over here, this one is longer than this one, but it's still a double top here. So you can see here, here and here. So that's it, bro. That's it, everyone. So if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, let me show you guys my Telegram channel. So guys, you can see my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel. We are 87 right here. You can see where I post my trade. You can see any trade that I take. You see where I post. This was the buy that I showed you guys. I'm out. Here you can see this was a sell on GU. Here this you can see I'm looking for a sell at this boss. Here you can see that trade that I took. I over leveraged, my stop loss were here. Hope you are trading. That was where I posted my this thing. Hope you are making dollars. Yeah, break even hits. So that was, you see the drop here. So this is my Telegram channel. You can join. We are 87 right now and we are growing massively. So that's it. That's it, everyone.
So guys, that was how I traded. If you're new, please consider subscribing, turn on bell notification, hit that like button for your boy. See you in the next video. Peace out.